Are you searching for the best digital microscope for soldering? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best digital microscope for soldering in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. 4K Digital Microscope Elikliv EM 4K 8-inch Coin Microscope 4K Digital Microscope Elikliv EM 4K 8-inch Coin Microscope 2000x 52 megapixel microscope soldering microscope for adults. Revolutionary 4K digital microscope. Upgrade to 4K UHD video and 52 megapixel imaging. Experience the Elikliv EM 4K digital microscope, stunning 4K video and ultra-clear 52 megapixel color still images. With 1280 by 800p, better IPS screen, you can explore the microworld with unrivaled clarity and precision. Sony Sensor Coin Microscope featuring a premium Sony sensor, Elikliv EM 4K delivers 30% higher image precision. Perfect for coin collectors and pros, it excels in soldering and coin examination. Elevate your soldering microscope endeavors with this indispensable tool, experiencing unmatched clarity and accuracy. Wide Color Gamut Digital Microscope. The 4K coin microscope's wide color gamut capability unlocks the full spectrum of hues, reveals the full spectrum with 100% sRGB, 99% RGB, 400 HDR, and 99% NTSC, allowing you to explore the microworld with unparalleled color accuracy and detail. Coin Microscope with Thumbnail. Unveil tiny details. Discover quickly is a concise and effective way to convey the capabilities of your product. It emphasizes the microscope's ability to reveal small details efficiently. Tri-screen simultaneous UHD digital microscope. Enjoy a truly immersive experience as our 4K soldering microscope 2000x delivers USB output, offering a larger view on any compatible monitor or computer. Whether you're in a lab, factory, classroom, or at home, this microscope delivers exceptional image quality and a seamless viewing experience. 2x, 2000x zoom microscope with screen. Elikliv LCD digital microscope for soldering, coin collecting, and more. Capture clear, detailed images of tiny objects from PCBs to gemstones. Built-in battery digital microscope. Enjoy the portability of a microscope with a rechargeable battery. Take it anywhere you need it, whether for outdoor activities or on-the-go inspections. Never be held back by power constraints again.